Vyro is a program that converts smart contracts written in Vyper, which is a Pythonic smart contract language for the EVM, into Cairo, which is another smart contract language for StarkNet, a zero-knowledge rollup based on the Ethereum blockchain. The original inspiration for Vyro came from the Warp project from Nethermind, which transpiles Solidity source code into Cairo. If you have not checked them out, please do so. They're doing pretty cool stuff. And lastly, for today, I'm going to quickly introduce the transpilation process for Vyro. So if you like to play around with the program, please do check out the repo at this link over here. The transpilation for Vyro takes place in 3 main steps. On the left, we can see the process for the usual compilation of a language, where it goes from human readable code to an abstract syntax tree, which is then converted to an intermediate representation before being assembled to its bytecode. For the Vyro transpiler, we operate entirely within the first 2 layers, where Vyper source code is first transformed into its AST using the Vyper compiler. And in the second step, we perform further modifications on this AST by introducing custom AST nodes that map to certain Cairo statements. And in the third step, we output the modified AST into Cairo code. And in the next few slides, we'll quickly run through an example of this using a simple contract. Here we have the first step where we are converting this simple Vyper contract with a single function into its AST, represented by this graph to the right. In the next step, we take the Vyper AST and we perform some modifications to it to give us the custom Vyro AST. And as we can see over here, the single return statement has been broken up into 2 different assigned statements, and the return value is now a temporary value that has been assigned based on the result of the first 2 assigned statements. And in the final step, we output the Cairo code based on the AST that has been modified earlier, and this gives us the final transpiled Cairo code. So if you would like to learn more or to try out the transpiler, please do head to this link and find out more. Thank you.